Hello, it's a new video my channel. Now I'll be making a new video. Okay, I said this twice, so damn it. Okay, now I'll be teaching you how to draw easily, and it will be nice drawing. If you can't draw, just watch this video. And I must say that I got inspired by another video on YouTube. It was from TEDx. I'll put it in the description, so yeah, you see him. I'm inspired from him. So okay, I'll now teach you how to draw someone like this. Okay, that was a fast drawing. Okay, yeah, I finished. Well, I finished. So we'll try to make it a bit slower so you can see what I'm doing here. I'm using my S Pen to draw, so you can just write on any paper, draw on any paper or anything. I'll make it again. So, well, first to do the eyes, you have to make a 6. Yeah, 2 6s next to each other with a big nose, then a mouth. Oh, damn it. That's good. And then you put some hair. And then an ear. And let's go. Ta-da! Let's just make it a bit. No. Yeah. No. Yeah, that's good. And we can make just a t-shirt like that. A tip: don't make his neck that long. See how long is it? Don't make it like that. We'll name this character Sam. Then we'll make a female. Now a male. Yeah. Okay, so again you do this 6 and color it. Another 6, color it. Let's make it like this, and let's make her angry. Then we will make her like this. Oh, this hair sucks on me. Okay, now let's go. We're not going to make a new ear because, well, the hair is covering it all. And let's make it like that. And ta-da! You got here. Let's name it Sarah. Okay, then we have another character. I'll name him after I draw him. Okay. First we make. I'll make him with glasses. Okay. I'll redraw all of these characters again after I finish them, so I'll make him a bit slower. Okay, this is the nose, glasses, and ear. Yeah, and let's make him surprised. That's a big mouth. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, then let's make him have hair. Yeah, you see? So easy. Oh, that long neck is a problem. Or raised it. Okay, here is Sam 2. The following will be Einstein. Okay, let's draw him. Okay, he made him in a way that it was, forget it, like that. He had a big nose, a mustache, yeah, and then he made, oh, he seems angry, not a mustache at all. And he made a long hair. Okay, that is Einstein, but I can't spell it, so I'll name him Sam 3. So can I draw all of these now? So I'll redraw them all. We had first Sam. He was like 6 and another 6. You can draw him, you can just fill him, and you can just not fill him. He had a big nose and mouth, yeah. So he had also an ear, some hair, and that's all. Can replay it and make it in slow motion. That's how he's made. So it's so easy. Just try it. We'll make that female Sarah, anyway. She's like that. I'm not going to fill it. Oh, damn it. And then with this like angle thing, an angle nose, and then this angry face. Let's make long hair. Okay, then here, neck. Ta-da! Ta-da! Then we had that other Sam 2, which had glasses, as I remember. Where's Sam 2? Oh yeah, he had glasses. Here you just draw 2 circles. You see him? Okay, just make that bridge, and then a long line like that. Yeah, that's the glasses and the ear. Okay, then we'll make a nose like that, and then you have a mouth. Let's make him surprised again, and make this, ta-da, hair. I forgot it. Shouldn't have made this ear. This t-shirt. Ta-da! Sam 2 is here. Einstein. Let's make him. He was like this. Nose and a mustache. So easy. Like this. And just some long hair. Ta-da! So that's how you make it. Yeah, so I hope you got some good information. Go check the other videos, so well, you see how he made it and how he tried to explain it. Yeah, you like it. I hope you do. So I guess bye bye, 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 bye bye.